How to create and sell an ebook on Amazon 2025 step by step. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create and sell an ebook on Amazon in 2025. So let me give you some information regarding Amazon direct publishing, that is Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP. It allows you to self-publish ebooks for free and reach millions of readers worldwide. It's one of the easiest ways to earn passive income as a writer, marketer, or business owner. So first of all, you have to choose your ebook topic, and you can start with a strong in-demand idea like, are you solving a problem or telling a personal story or teaching a skill? You can use Amazon search bar and search for what is trending, and you can also search on Google Trends and search for the terms and add the category and the place you want to sell your ebook. And you can even research on AI tools like ChatGPT to find popular categories and keywords, and browse the Kindle store's best sellers in your niche to see what's already working. So then you have to go on to the next step, that is write your content. You can use Google Docs or Word to write your content first and keep the language simple. Format into section and chapters and aim for clean structure, and think the title, intro, body and conclusion. Once done, you can move to Canva for the design. Now you have to head to Google and go to canva.com and search for you have to just first continue with Google, log into your Canva account, and then you can search for ebook or A4 document templates. Like search for templates here, like ebook. It will give you some ebook templates here, as you can see, 1 of 9, and we have to look for the free ones as you don't want to use the paid ones. If you have paid Canva, then it's a plus for you, and after that you can just select one. I'll just select this one and customize this template. After picking a clean professional design, you can customize fonts, colors and images, and you can also add page numbers, section headers and call to action pages. You can design the entire PDF ebook in Canva for lead magnets, guides or Kindle interiors. Once your editing part has been done, you can just click on download as PDF print, like go to the share option and you can just click on download, and after that you have to just select the PDF best for printing and download the file here. And that's if you are uploading a full designed book. And after that you can create your ebook cover in Canva. So for that, open a new Canva file with custom dimensions like 1600 into 2560. So for that you just need to go to the Canva again and click on create and click on custom size, and dimensions should be 1600 into 2560 px, and you have to click on create new design. And this is the Amazon recommended format I've just chosen, and you can use bold readable font for titles, or you can also select a template from here. Ebook, like I search for ebook cover. Let's see. As you can see, there are multiple of them. I'll just select this one. You can just edit the text, you can also edit images, you can add elements here, you can also add your name if you want. You want to write the writer's name and all, and uh, just like the author name in the bottom or top, and you can stick to 2 to 3 colors and avoid clutter. You want to design to pop even as a thumbnail, and you should export it as JPG or PNG. So you go to share, download, and PNG suggested. Okay, then you have to click on download, and the file is downloaded. So after that, you have to go on Amazon KDP, like kdp.amazon, and after coming here, you have to sign in, or you have to create a new account here to sell the book. So I have to create an account, so I'll click on join KDP, and it will take me to the form. Your name, I'll just type my name and give the email here. I'll type a strong password. Okay, create your KDP account. After that, it's requiring a solve this puzzle to protect your account. Choose all the hats. I'll just click on the hats and confirm, and it's saying success. Security code to my email, I'll just check for that, and the security code I will just copy and paste it to verify my account. So you can add a mobile number here. After adding the mobile number, it will take you to the Amazon account, and you have to just click on create a Kindle ebook, then fill out book title and subtitle, and then give the author name, and you can just give the book description for SEO, and it will be better if you give a book description that is SEO optimized, and you can add keywords, 7 text related to your copy. You can choose the category, you can skip ISBN for ebooks. Amazon assigns one automatically, and after that you can upload your file to KDP, and after that you can upload your ebook interior like PDF or docx file if you didn't design in Canva, and ebook cover which you designed on Canva, and which is on PNG or JPG format. After that, preview your book using Amazon's previewer tool. Make sure everything looks good on Kindle, phone or tablet, and after that you can set the price, and after that you can set the price and royalties, and you can choose between 70% royalties for ebooks price between $2.99 and $9.99, 35% royalties for other price points. You can also enroll in KDP Select to reach Kindle Unlimited readers. Set prices for each Amazon marketplace like US, UK, etc. And after that, you have to publish your ebook. You have to publish your ebook, and you have to just for that you have to click on publish. Your ebook will go live on Amazon within 24 to 72 hours. You'll get a public link to share, promote on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or on your social media handles. And let me give you some Canva bonus tips to boost sales. So you should use some promotional graphics, like use Canva to design promotional mockups. Show your books on a tablet or Kindle or phone. Great for Instagram or launch posts. You can add a final page to your ebook. Thanks for reading. Follow me on Instagram, your handle, and you leave a review on Amazon. You can use the same fonts, colors, and use your style across your book cover, ebook, and marketing to build your brand. And save your Canva layouts as templates for your next ebook or series. as you can use it again. And with Canva and Amazon KDP, you don't need to be a designer or a tech expert. Just write a useful book, design with Canva, upload your KDP, and you can start building a stream of passive income in 2025. And that's it for today's video. See you on the next one, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. And hope this video helped you. So see you in the next one.